Welcome back to my first Shady Camp session or episode. I've actually been out there twice before this for pretty much donuts, so I didn't make an episode out of either of those trips. But on this one, we're going to head out with Ted from the Red Life, and the aim is to pretty much fish the barrages and hopefully try and catch a couple of decent barra off the barrages. Really hoping for a meatery on this one. That's kind of my ultimate goal for this runoff is going to be a meatery. So we'll just see what happens. I'll see you out there. Cheers. In the boat.
Yes. Got mine going too. Nice fish, mate.
There we go. I just got 3 good hits in a row and about, I don't know, 4 or 5 casts. Nice little 40 odd coming in. You beauty.
Oh well, it's not a donut strip.
Nah, that's it. We'll go this side.
Yep.
Good?
Yep.
See you, buddy. Boom. Ted just dropped a nice fish.
No. I've got it on camera, man. You can see shit.
He's not bad. It's not bad at all. Do you want the net or what do you want to do?
He's in.
You!
Not a bad fish.
Yeah.
Finally, got one to hook up. Time for a beer.
We've both just dropped about probably a dozen fish or been hit by a dozen fish in the last kind of 10 minutes. You're not going to be able to see it, but we're just fishing the first barrage at the ramp, and there's a big eddy here with heaps of fast flowing water down there, and all the fish are just sitting in this eddy. Ted's probably dropped the biggest for the day, and then we're going to just fall out.
Not the biggest barra, but
Yeah, good's that.
that's a good, nice Shady Camp barrage rat. I can't measure him. He's a legal fish, 58.
He's pretty chrome too, which is really surprising me at the moment.
Live target mullet.
Yeah,
That's
good.
what did the damage.
You.
Well, see you, buddy.
Boom.
On. Camera action. All the bars.
Woo!
Not bad. But
They're all nice little fish, man. Like,
yeah, they look healthy.
they're not really even rats. Like, most of them are borderline legal.
Yeah. Yeah, another little rat. On a live target mullet. Can't complain, getting a few hits, a few fish. Beers and barras, Saturday night. Time to go back, buddy.
Boom.
See ya.
Yeah, probably. Just hooked up to a potential PB barra. On the first cast of the new lure. You're joking.
Nice work, man. That's surely 70s.
Oh, mate. How good's that? 74 centimetre barra, equal to my PB. Come on, Gil. There you go. That's a cracker fish. And I'll tell you what, they're really chrome as well. Anyway, we're going to chuck her back.
Big one.
Nah. Oh, he's not bad, eh? Not bad. Oh, Minn Kota, bro. I might get him back around. Yeah, he's probably 60. I might be able to lift him. We might lose this fish, so get a good look at him.
Missed the tin.
Oh, look at that. You're kidding.
Bang, and on. B52 again.
There we go, lovely nice 68 centimetre fish. I'm actually going to keep this one for a feed because I've never tried a barra out of Shady before, so sorry buddy, it's your unlucky day. Yep. I'll get the net ready. You want a net?
You're filming?
Yeah, I'm filming. Oh, he's got you in. He's wrapped you. Nah, he's I can see what he's on. Fuck. Yeah, he's on that mangrove route there over. Is he still there? He's probably about the same. I'm not going to say it. I'll make you feel bad.
I don't know if he's still there or not. Yeah, I was giving that some hurt too. Good enough now on the snag.
We might be able to go over there. I don't know. Your boat, your call.
Yeah, he's still there.
He's still there. He's out. He's out. Yes.
Alright. I don't know if this is a net drop or not.
Well, I'll get it out because you've earned it.
Here, roll it.
Oh, your net's. There we go. It's. It's good fish.
Out of the snags.
Oh, I can't even lift it with one hand.
Oh, bro.
He's a pisser, man.
Man, that's solid.
Look at the shoulders on that thing, bro.
What a tank.
That'll be a PB for me.
Oh, man.
I thought you were done when he got you in there.
Same.
That's the lure that did the damage, the old Bob Marley strata.
My favourite lure for Barra, I think, all time. I've got to thank Chris. He's got me onto these, and they do the damage, really. There's the results. Stoked with that. We're going to get him on the big lie detector. Probably her. That's a cracking fish.
Yeah.
Shady barrage at night, pulling absolute thumpers from the current. I had this fish wrapped me around a mangrove and thought it was gone, so free spool, and she swam out, and here she is in the net. I've earned my beer now. Sweet. Oh, it's a serious fish.
Oh, bro, I reckon she'd be near 80.
Alright, here we go. On the big girl brag mat. What do we got? 78?
Yeah, 78.
Call them that for a 78.
I would. 78 centimetre buzz. That's a perler.
Maybe not. That's life, mate.
Huge! How's that for a stonker? He's probably all of 20 centimetres. Oh, crazy. See you later, mate. Oh, that's wild.
Right there at the boat.
Literally hooked right here and jumped out of the water like a marlin. Under the boat. He just jumped out the back. You want me to trim the outboard or you'll be right?
It's just in that current.
Yep.
The boat's not ideal, and I'm feeling rock, and it's bad for rods and everything.
He's not a bad fish either. He's going for the lift. Whoa!
That's another solid baz.
Yeah,
at
dude.
the boat. That thing just like Marlin dove the lure.
Literally right here, come clean out.
Oh man. Well, we're on a bit of a hot bite here. It's going off. The Bob Marley strata doing the damage again. Another quality fish. I'm going to chuck it on the lie detector and see how big he goes. But yeah, can't complain with that. Baz is on the chew. Doesn't happen that often, but you take a win when you can. Let's chuck them on. What we got? 72?
Yeah, almost 73, yeah.
Almost 73.
That's an awesome fish.
Another quality 70s model. They're such a cool fish, and the strikes and the takes in this current is unreal. It just rips you right out of the hand. They really are a predator. I mean that. If you're a bait fish, stands no chance. So we'll send him back. See you, buddy.
Boom. Well, that is it for my first Shady Camp barrage mission. And I cannot believe that I caught another 74 centimetre fish. That's the third one that I've caught that is equal to my PB. Hats off to Ted for catching his 78. That's a really nice fish and would have been a PB. So look, you know, regardless, it was an absolutely ripper session. I think we ended up boating about a dozen fish. We got hit by probably another 20, maybe even more than that. Like, it was pretty much a hit every second cast for a while there, and unfortunately, because we were using the single barb hooks on the first barrage, it just made it really hard to get a proper hookup. So a lot of missed opportunities on that one, and that's why we ended up moving down to one of the barrages halfway down the river there so we could use trebles, and we started boating pretty much every fish that we got a hit from. So that was good to see. It really showed me why people actually fish Shady Camp and persist with Shady Camp, because before that I'd really only had bad experiences, to be honest. The first 2 weekends that I was there, I think we got one fish, one barra. So that's pretty crap fishing, really. So it just goes to show a bit of local knowledge can really go a long way. Ted's been fishing Shady Camp off and on for quite a few years now, and yeah, he knew exactly how to fish the barrages and when to be there and what to look for, and you know, we boated quite a few nice fish, so really stoked with that. Anyway, as always, really appreciate the likes, comments, any of that type of stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks heaps. See ya.